Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Let's Get Techie. And once again, I'll try to answer a lot of questions. In fact, last week I got a lot of questions from you guys. It was really heartwarming to see such a great response to our last week's video. I mean, I can't of course take all those questions, but I'll try to take most of them, which I think will be relevant for all of you. Also, a lot of you were asking about the giveaway which we announced last week. How are we going to select the winners? When are we going to announce the winners? So we're going to wait for another week, guys. We only announced it last week, so we'll give another week so that everyone can participate. Those who probably missed the video are going to watch it now, also have some time to participate in this giveaway. So I'm going to announce the winners next Friday. Till then, you have time. You can, it's very easy process. There's no contest as such. You just need to subscribe to both our channels, Fiber Hindi and English. So please do that. Let us know in the comment section. Also, it will be nice if you follow us on our social media handles. So that is what the giveaway, the update I have on giveaway. As far as the winners, choosing the winners go, we'll be selecting them randomly. So there'll be no bias, there'll be no criteria. We'll be selecting them randomly. So rest assured, everyone has a fair chance of winning both the products that we announce. Now, coming to the Q&A part. Of course, all of you know the process. Put your questions using the hashtag Let's Get Techie. And I expect to see a lot more questions from you guys. Whatever queries you have, please send them in. Also, show us some support on our other videos as well. We've been doing a lot of reviews. Some of the videos that we are doing, I personally feel they are very good in terms of production quality and the content that we are trying to give you guys. So if you feel that, do watch them, share them, like them. Let's beat this YouTube algorithm, because see, honestly, this is how YouTube works. If you're not gonna like it, share it or comment on it, it will not reach to more people. So please show us some support. Now let's start this week's Q&A video. You're watching Fiber. My name is Manas Tiwari. Before I start taking questions, there are two comments that I want to specifically highlight from last week's video, because they were really funny. They made me laugh. First one is from Rajvinder Singh, and his comment was, first rule of giveaway is कोई भी Asus 8Z वाला question put नहीं करेगा. Rajvinder ji, I laughed for like 2 minutes on this comment. This is so funny. Those who have been following Fiber for a while now would know what this entire Asus 8Z thing is. Second one is from Kuldeep, and Kuldeep commented, subscribe to both the channels and followed on Insta. अब Asus 8Z तो आया नहीं, पावर बैंक ही सही. तो भैया आप दोनों को थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट मिलते हैं इन कमेंट्स के लिए. Now coming to the questions. First one I have is from Shutter Eyes. Again, a regular viewer. Shutter Eyes, what is your real name, by the way? I've been picking up your questions for a while now. Do let me know in the comments what is your actual name. So he's actually asked two questions. First one is Asus Zenfone 9 worth waiting, or will they again disappoint? So first, let us get over this disappointment, because I'll tell you honestly, only last week I had a word with Asus again, and I checked with them what is the update on Asus 8Z. Has the launch been cancelled? And as early as like last week itself, they've told me that the launch has not been cancelled. We just don't have a date yet. So according to them, Asus 8Z is still happening. So पहले वो launch हो जाए, then we'll talk about Asus Zenfone 9. The second question is, what will be the price of Samsung Galaxy S21 FE? Will it be worth buying if the price is above 60k? So I think, you put this question last week, and by the time I'm doing this video, the price has already been announced. It's 54,999. You can get a 5,000 cashback using the SDFC card. So effective price comes down to 49,999. So it's definitely a much less than 60,000 that you asked about. I think at this price point, you can definitely consider it. My only doubt is with the processor, which is the Exynos 2100 processor. I think at the same price, or in fact for less, you can actually get OnePlus 9. So don't forget that, and you can compare both the phones and then take the final decision. The next question is from Naman Dokania. I hope I'm reading your name correctly, pronouncing your name correctly. And his question is Pixel 6a or 5a coming to India? News about this is viral. When can we expect? See, Naman, from what I know, I think Pixel 5a might not launch. 6 से, yes, it can come. There are a lot of reports suggesting that Google might launch Pixel 6a in India very soon. It can happen sometime this year. So let's wait and see. But yes, there are chances that it may launch. Next question is from Somdev 1977. I respect sir's consistency. Every week he puts 1 or 2 questions. It's really heartwarming, sir. The first question is, make a comparison of various mobile OS available right now. Example, stock Android, MIUI, Oxygen OS, etc. Sir, we'll do it. I promise you, we will definitely do this video. Just give us a little more time, because right now Fiber is very young, very new. We are already stressed in terms of bandwidth. It's a very small team, so the number of videos we can do is we also have to, pick and choose very wisely. Also, we're back to working from home, as you can see. So then there are logistical challenges as well. But I promise you, as soon as we get a chance, we'll definitely do this comparison video. The second question is this the right platform to ask if you could shed some light on cryptocurrency? So this is the ideal platform. We have already done some videos on cryptocurrencies. I have always maintained that I am not an investment expert. So I'm not going to tell you whether you should invest money in crypto or not. But what I can do is I can simplify it for you. I can tell you how this works, what is the technology behind it. I have already interviewed a couple of crypto exchange platform CEOs. We interviewed Nishchal Sethi from WazirX. We also interviewed CoinDCX CEO. So you can watch those interview videos on the channel as well. We have also done some videos around how the crypto scams work. You can watch that as well. And if you have any other question related to cryptocurrencies, you can put them in the comments box as well. The last question I have today is from Umruddin, and he has asked, is it worth buying Vivo X70 Pro Plus? It's absolutely worth buying, Umruddin, because I think it was one of the best camera smartphones, Android camera smartphones, probably the only phone that comes closest to iPhone 13 lineup in terms of camera performance. So you can definitely consider it. The only thing that you need to think of is that it costs rupees 80,000. So at that price, you can actually get an iPhone as well. So that's the only thing that you need to know, need to consider whether you want to stick to Android or move to iOS for the same price. So guys, these are the questions that I had for this week's video. There's one more announcement. So a lot of you were asking us to make videos in Hindi. So what we have done is, from this week onward, we'll also be doing a Q&A session on our Hindi channel, which is Fiber Hindi. So in case you want to ask questions in Hindi, or if you want me to simplify stuff in Hindi, you can subscribe to our channel, put questions there. So on Friday, while you will get one Q&A video in English on Fiber, you'll also get one in Hindi on Fiber Hindi. I'll see you in next week's video.